Now the last thing we're going to be doing in this login.class file, we're going to have to actually implement the options menu. The options like sign up and exiting from the app, so that we're going to have to create it. So, and we're going to have to also create a dialogues for different services execution, like not connected to services and all these. So I've created already on create dialog, on create options menu, and on menu item selected. So if you are already familiar with Android framework, then you must be familiar also with the dialog, plus on create options menu method, and on menu item selected. And here I have actually provided 4 cases, like case not connected to service, fill both username and password, make sure username and password, and not connected to service. And on each case I have actually provided a message. So this message would contain and would be actually pop out to the user when something happens, like not if the connection is not implemented to the service, then a message would appear that not connected to the service. And similarly with all of these cases, like fill both username and password, so the message would be appear, and that message would be actually a toast message. So this message is actually representing a toast message. If I just scroll to the bottom, and here I'm going to find out that on create options menu I've added the 2 menus, that is sign up and exit. I've already created on the top these 2 variables, and then now I'm adding it to the menu options. This is actually the main menu option of our login activity. And here when a person clicks on the sign up button, what will happen, and if a person clicks on exit, what will happen. So if a person clicks on a sign up button, it will be using intent, and it will be transiting from login.class to signup.class in here, and so would be starting activity. And if case exit happens, then return true, which means that yes, exit is a true, and he would be out of the login.java class.